What do all growing businesses want? To be profitable. When do they want to be profitable? Immediately. I'm Hector Garcia, certified public accountant, and I partner with QuickBooks to share tips on how to scale your growing business. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos just like this. If you want to learn more about tracking profitability, make sure to check the description for an article which expands on the topic. Growing businesses deal with massive amounts of data, and it's a daunting task to sift through pages and pages of it in hopes of extracting some sort of usable information. Having the flexibility to automate custom financial reports in an accounting software can save time while tracking profitability. A great business tool can turn data into information using standard financial reports with a single click. Then the user of the accounting software can run reports with filtered data and relationship data to turn this information into actionable knowledge. By analyzing the information with strategic intent, you can tie the knowledge to an observable action inside your business. Connect this with environmental or marketplace factors, and you finally have the wisdom to maximize your profitability. In accounting, this is known as the DIKW pyramid, and it's the most popular framework for all data-driven decision-making for growing businesses. Try saying that 3 times fast. When data is effectively turned into wisdom in a systematized fashion, which we call an accounting information system, it becomes one of the primary feeders of strategic thinking. How the accounting information system is leveraged to reinvest back into marketing and innovation generally sets the stage for significant business growth. Imagine the benefit of tracking your profitability not only at the product level, but also by using categories, including by project, class, location, and other fully customizable data fields. Truly understanding which segments of your business bring the most profit allows you to refocus that energy into those segments or study that segment's magic, so to speak. From there, you can try to replicate the same performance within less profitable segments or activities. If you see a segment that's not profitable, it's time to determine A, if action is needed, or B, if it's strategically supporting the overall profitability of your business. Profitability or not, everything needs a budget and needs to be tracked. An income statement or P&L report and a balance sheet provide extremely important information regarding the financial health of your business. These are mostly useful to outside investors, bankers, and taxing authorities. Unfortunately, they do not provide many actionable insights. Because financial statements only reflect on what happened last month or last quarter, it's in the past, and you can no longer actively manage it. In contrast, monitoring real-time reports that are relevant to day-to-day decisions being made at the department level can provide important business insights that enable you to outsmart your competition. I love to provide my clients with the most strategic advice when it comes to their financial reporting. And this includes telling them about how to create custom reports in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Using the custom reporting tool with pivot tables, you can summarize large amounts of data into bite-sized wisdom. Once the report is customized with the proper filter fields, data grouping, and segmentized rows and columns, you can save this report. Then with a single click, you're able to recall this wisdom at any time. For more information on profitability and financial reporting, check out the links in the description below. And make sure to hit that like button to let me know what you think of this video. Lastly, I would appreciate if you can share this with a friend or subscribe to the QuickBooks channel. Thanks for watching.